It's a very important breaking news that I feel you should know as a JAMB candidate, especially as it concerns your admission this year. This has to do with JAMB caps. So just pay attention. JAMB has done something they have never done before. In fact, it took every one of us by surprise concerning your caps, right? And that is the fact that JAMB has deactivated all unique caps URL links. Let me explain. First of all, let me tell you about JAMB caps. JAMB cap stands for Joint Admission and Matriculation Board Central Admission Processing System. So when we talk about caps in JAMB, we mean your Central Admission Processing System for you in your JAMB. It is on this platform that you can either accept or reject your admission. I mean, this is the JAMB caps dashboard. You can upload your O-level result. You can accept your admission, you can reject your admission, you can do change of course, change of institution, and all the rest. All these things are accessible only on your JAMB caps. But then, before now, there was this URL link that you can just use even without your email address and your password that you use in registering for your JAMB. But recently, just about a few hours ago, the news just broke. JAMB just said that for those of you that have been using the unique caps link to access your portal without email or password, JAMB has deactivated all of such cap links. Right now, for individuals who no longer have access to the email address used during caps JAMB registration, an email correction is necessary. This correction process enables you to update your email address and ensure uninterrupted access to your account. Further instruction will be provided. So now what do you have to do? Now that JAMB has made it impossible for you to access your caps, what you now need to do is go to a CBT center, go to a JAMB CBT center. If you have forgotten your JAMB password, if you have forgotten your email address, your phone number, and all the rest, if you have an issue accessing the Central Admission Processing System, just go to a CBT center. Of course, they may charge you 500, 1,000 to do that, but go there immediately. Don't wait. Go there immediately and sort it out. And if you are still having any issue, you want to know how to write the mop-up exam, the final JAMB. If you scored so low in your JAMB, you want to write the next JAMB, the mop-up exam that JAMB is setting, you let me know. If you're having any issues with checking your result, just comment. If there is any issue you are having concerning your admission, your JAMB, feel free to comment below. And remember to go ahead and like this video. Click on like this video, share this video, and subscribe. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type "I subscribe." There is a very important video I'm giving you on the screen free. I'm giving it to you free of charge on the screen. Just click on it right now and watch.